Hey, what's up, guys? This is Hint with Magic Ends. Thank you for tuning in today. I recently heard about Safemoon, and a lot of people have been buying it. And I heard that the process is very complicated. I recently found a way to buy it. It's pretty quick, and in this video I will show you guys how to buy it in a little less than 5 minutes. But first, you will have to download two apps. If you haven't already, you will have to download the Coinbase app and the Bitmart app. So the Coinbase app, most of you are already familiar with it, and the Bitmart app, the logo should look like this. And once you finish download, you can set up your account, and to download it, you can either go to the App Store, or you can download from the link I have below. So without wasting time, guys, let's get started. So if I'm going too fast for you, you can just pause the video and go at your own pace. So after you download the apps, what you will do is first you go to Coinbase. Once you get to Coinbase, you press home and you scroll down to XLM or Stellar Lumens. Once you press Stellar Lumens, you will see XLM wallet in trade, and this time you will click trade so you can buy XLM. Once you click buy XLM, if that's the first time you're using this app, it'll ask you to add money to your account. So once you already set up your bank account with it, or you can just do it directly. So let's say, for example, I want to put $10, so I will press $10 and then add. So it'll ask me to put my bank account information, and from there they will take your money from your bank account. After you put the $10 to your account, or whatever amount you want to put on your account, you go back and you can click on XLM wallet. Once you click on XLM wallet, it will give you this window, and what you will do is look to the right, and you will see this arrow print to the right. So you click on that arrow. When you click on that arrow, it will ask you to enter the amount of XLM you want to transfer. So now this is the most important part. So we will use the XLM we have on Coinbase to transfer into Bitmart. So this is how we will be able to buy Safemoon and SHIBA and a bunch of other new cryptocurrency that a lot of people are buying right now. So they're gonna ask you for the amount of XLM you want to transfer, or the amounts of money you want to transfer. So you will enter the amount you want to transfer. For example, in my case, I don't have any XLM, so I'm just gonna add the 0.15. So 0.15. So after I enter the amount I want to transfer, I press continue, and then this window is not important, so you can click not now. So this is very important. You have three boxes here. Those three boxes, you have the to box and the memo box. The to box is the address where you will be sending the XLM, and then they will provide a memo. In order to find those the address in the memo, you will need to go to the Bitmart app. So let's go ahead and go to the Bitmart app to find those the address in the memo. So once you get to the Bitmart app, what you will do is you will click on assets. You click on assets and you look for XLM. XLM will be all the way at the bottom. Since we don't have any XLM, or I don't have any XLM, so I will have to click all the way to the bottom. I will have to go all the way to the bottom in order to find XLM. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. X's. All right. So XLM right here. Once you find XLM, you click on it. In order to find the address in the memo of XLM in Bitmart app, you need to click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you will see this box pop up. So what you'll do, you press I got it, and then from here you have the address and the memo. All you have to do is copy the address. So once you copy it from here, it'll give you the exact address. So you copy, and then you transfer to the other app where it says to, and you paste that. In this case, we'll go to Coinbase and go to mobile email or address and press paste. Once you paste this, you can go to memo, and then go back to Bitmart and then copy the memo. And you do the same thing, you go back to Coinbase and paste. Once you paste it, now you are able to send your XLM from Coinbase to Bitmart directly. So in this case, you would press preview and send, and then if you had enough of XLM in your Coinbase account, it will automatically send, and then they would send you a confirmation text on your phone to let you know that the XLM has been transferred, right? In my case, I don't have the minimum required, so it won't go. But if you added more than that, you will be able to send it. So after you do this one, your money should go to Bitmart. Now you would only have to go to Bitmart app and to take care of the rest. So what we'll do is go to Bitmart, go back, and then find XLM. So in your case, since you already sent some XLM to Bitmart, your XLM would be on top now. So now what do? You press trade, because you want to trade XLM into other currency, right? But first we'll have to transfer this XLM into US dollar in order to buy anything else that we want. So first we will click trade. We will sell XLM to US dollar. So here you must pay attention to the top where it says XLM/USDT. If it doesn't say that, something is wrong. You need to correct it. So under the sell button, you will click limit order and change limit order into market order. Once we change that, now we only see $1. So however amount of XLM you have, you're gonna convert that into USDT. So you can click 25% of it, or you can also send all of it to USDT, which is 100%. Once you press 100%, it'll give you the amount you have, and you will send it into USDT, and then you press sell. Once you press sell, it'll tell you that the order was placed. So it's usually quick. So as soon as you transfer it, you can go back by pressing the back arrow, and then go back to go and find USDT. So since I probably have some USDT, mine should be all the way on top. So once you get here to USDT, now you have USDT, so you can buy anything you want. For example, let's say I want to buy Safemoon, SHIBA, Fox, or Venkat. You can buy anything. So you would just have to click on Safemoon or SHIBA. Let's say, for example, I don't see that on top here, so I would just scroll all the way down to find those coins. So once you find those coins like Safemoon or SHIBA, you click on whichever one you want. For example, in this case it's Safemoon, and you would say trade. Once you say trade, it'll give you this window here. Now instead of selling, you want to buy Safemoon. So make sure on the top it says Safemoon/USDT. So now you press the buy button. Please don't forget to press the buy button, because that's very important. And then now, instead of limit order, which is very important again, you have to put market order, so your order don't delay. All right, so market order. Now you see only $1, and if you want, you can convert all your USDT into Safemoon, or you can do it by a small percentage. So let's say in this case you want to transfer all 100%. So in my case it would be 3 USDT into Safemoon. So all you would have to do is press buy. So let's go and press buy, and then your order would be placed, and then you would go back here, and most of the time you would have to close your app and then reopen it in order for you to see the transaction. So you click, once you get here, come back to asset, and then search for Safemoon. Most often it would be on top because you just bought it. So you would have Safemoon on top and click on Safemoon. It would tell you which amount you have available, and it would give you the estimate US dollar. So in my case, I have just a few million here, but most of my Safemoon is in my Trust wallet because this app is new. I recently bought this one just to try it on. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and keep in mind you can buy other coins in this app also. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you learned something, and if that was something you wanted to do in the past few days and now you get a chance to do it, and please give this video a like, subscribe for later videos, and I would really appreciate if you guys share that with your friends, because there are a lot of people that would love to buy those type of coins right now and they don't know. People are getting frustrated. Please like, share, and subscribe, and remember to invest safely.